Hey everyone! So nakabalik na nga kami ng Doha and I would like to share our experiences, mga nangyari before and after ng aming silver wedding anniversary celebration. Actually sabi ko kay Happy, why not mag-Europe na lang tayo as a celebration? He said, and our daughter also, sabi nila, travel can happen anytime, pero ang 25 years of marriage, once lang mangyayari. And dun ko na-realize, tama nga sila. Pwede naman kami mag-travel next year, pero ang silver wedding anniversary, once in a lifetime lang talaga. So, we finally agreed na sa Philippines na lang, we wanted to be intimate only, attended by our immediate family members. So we planned, and it's not just as an event, but also as a vacation and reunion at the same time. After searching for different venue, we chose to be in the Lake Farm de la Mare in Pantabangan. At sa tingin ko, it's a perfect venue for outdoor and garden setup na gusto namin. Since exclusive lang ito sa Diaz and Pineda family, feeling namin hindi na kailangan ng malaking coordination team. Hindi na rin kami nag-invite ng iba aside from the immediate family members. We just wanted to celebrate it our own way. Simple, meaningful, at walang pressure or judgment from the other people. In case may hindi man maging perfect, you know. So I personally contacted the venue. I sent emails, online meetings, and thankfully, they were able to provide and arrange almost everything that we requested. Aside from that, ako rin mismo naghanap ng ibang suppliers for photo and video team, HMUA, cake, then yung ibang coordination tasks, inassign ko na lang sa mga ibang family members para mas personal at mas masaya. So finally, na-finalize ng event in March. Everything was ready and excited na kami sobra. Pero nagkaroon ng tensions here in the Middle East and flights got canceled. Medyo stressful and emotional, pero naniwala kami na if something is meant to happen, it will happen at the right time. Nox. So come with us in Lake Farm de la Mare in Pantabangan. This is our silver wedding anniversary renewal of vows and family vacation. Let's eat!
Yan ang driver bride. Kanyang kasal sa ibabaw ng bundok.
From Cabanatuan City, we traveled around 1.5 hours going to Lake Farm de la Mare. Since we arrived at 12 noon and our check-in time was still 2 p.m., we decided to start first with my hair and makeup here at the function hall. Ayan, super ganda ng view. And of course, meet this talented HMUA makeup by Anlay Tantoco. He was highly recommended by Chris Camenia Photography. And first time lang din namin magkita-kita dito sa resort together with the whole photo and video team. And super like ko talaga itong aking fresh and soft look makeup. Sobrang natural lang niya but elegant and glowing. Exactly the look that I really wanted for a renewal of vows. And he also put some simple touch up kay hubby para naman hindi shiny on cam. At this moment, our photo and video session officially started. Sobrang gaan lang nila katrabaho. They always made you feel comfortable. But of course, second time na namin ito with Chris Camenia. While we were doing our shoot, the rest of the family started checking in sa mga rooms nila. So ito yung with kitchen nila, good for 6 packs, maximum of 8. Yan. This one is with kitchen also. This one is mas malaki siya without kitchen. And then we have another casitas there. Itong isa, dalawa. Yan, good for 4 packs. So yan yung naka-assign sa aming accommodation. Malayo sa aming mga kasamahan nandun sa casitas. At this moment, tapos na ang photoshoot. So change outfit and retouch ng hair and makeup for the main program. and everything turned out so beautiful and memorable. Please watch out for official event video soon by Chris Camenya Photography. Dito kami na-assign.
Kami mo ito.
Malapit sa dome. Parang isolated naman.
Yun.
Wow. But it's nice. Ang bango. So ito yung aming couple's room.
Couple's room. So hectic.
Wow, nice view. Diyan kami kanina. Ayan, nagsisinop na sila ng mga kalat. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Missing P in the... La 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 la. It was a successful stories.
We just got married again.
It's a very good moment. Si Mama lang ang nag-enjoy. Yeah, 5,000 roses daw. Dami. Yes. Hey!
Kagugulo. Kane! Oh, happy ba? Happy? Sige, mahulog ka! Ne! Yabang ng dala mo. Sige! I feel yours. Kitchen. Ang bango. Si chef pala to. Good morning. The next morning, we just slowed down and enjoyed our coffee sa terrace ng room. Super relaxing na ambience, fresh air, peaceful surroundings, and beautiful view of nature. And while sipping our coffee, hindi namin maiwasang balikan at pag-usapan ang mga nangyari the night before. After all the preparations and stress, unexpected changes, finally, everything turned out so memorable and worth it. Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
Okay, so dito naman ang breakfast. It's a buffet management. Meron silang pandesal.
Corned beef. Then scrap. Wow. Beef. Fried rice.
Soup. Let's go swimming. Ayun.
Backstroke.
Ganon.
These areas is for check-in. Yes.
Hello guys.
Swimming, Mamela. Dive.
We're going to the infinity pool. How are you? Yeah? Hi to my vlog. Oh.
Hi guys.
Ah. Ay, picture na ah.
Yeah. So happy.
Kasi hindi kayo maliligo.
Yeah.
Ikaw nga to. Sali ako. Live lang to?
Siya din. Tama mo.
Ayoko, naka-backshot lang ako to.
Si Derek naman. Ang dami niyan. Hi guys! Ganyan pa infinity. We're in the edge. Yun, ganda oh. Yan, Mama G. Doon oh, doon sa dome na.
Pantabangan din. Let's go guys! Let's go home na! We're going home! Bye, Lake Farm!